Are you looking for a house in Citrus Heights, California? Specifically the 95610 zip code and under 375? Hello, my name is Trever Ford and I represent the Keller Williams Super Agent team, and I personally want to invite you to our open house Saturday between 2 and 5 p.m. It'll be at 7854 Clark Fork Lane in Citrus Heights. I wanted to share a few quick pictures with you just so you can get a feel for what this beauty looks like. As you can tell, the property has been freshly painted outside with some minor light landscaping updates. The inside is fresh laminate with fresh paint also. We have updated light fixtures, countertops in the kitchens that we'll see right here. Look at that. And then as you notice, when we start getting upstairs in the property, like right about now, you'll see fresh carpet in every bedroom with the triangle lines in them. Like I said, the kitchen's got quartz countertops also. And also we have a backyard that's prime for entertaining. If this property is working for you, feel free to reach out right now and I'll happily get you in before the open house. If you're not looking to purchase at any moment in time right now, that's a-okay. Feel free to like and share though with your friends and family so we can help them achieve their goals of home ownership. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you have an awesome and prosperous weekend.